Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your AirTag using your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, and to find any of your devices or your AirTag, you have to go to the menu, and in the menu you will have to look for the Find My system, which is here, which is illustrated with this little MacBook and iPhone. With that you can find any of your devices, your iPhones, your MacBooks, your iPads, or anything that is connected to your iCloud. Or if you want to find an AirTag, which is kind of interesting, they put it in a different menu. It's not in the Find My menu, but in the Find My Items menu. And here you can find any of your items. As you can see, I have this AirTag, which is usually in my backpack. That's why it's named backpack. And if I want to ping it so I can find it, I can tap on it. It is going to show me it on the map where it is. And I can also ping it by tapping on play sound. And as you can hear, it is playing the sound. Very beautiful. And we just found the AirTag very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.